Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start with posture and breath because proper support prevents strain. Stand tall, relax your shoulders, and breathe into your diaphragm. Once done, warm up gently with lip trills and hums for 3-5 minutes to increase airflow control and lubricate your cords. Begin a very low-intensity false chord placement by making a soft, raspy consonant like a sustained, gentle sigh. Feel vibration above the collarbone. Make sure to keep throat open and jaw loose so you can build texture without pushing air forcefully. You now refine distortion by using short, controlled attempts to avoid fatigue. Practice 1 3-second false chord bursts at low volume and rest between efforts. Once done, shape vowels. Start with ah to establish space, then move to e and o to learn how resonance shifts the tone. Make sure to coordinate with steady diaphragm pressure rather than throat squeeze. Finally, practice with a mic at about 6-12 inches and slightly off-axis, so you learn how proximity affects distortion and clarity. You finish by integrating longer phrases and musical context. Gradually increase duration by about 10-15% per session while keeping intensity low. Once done, cool down with gentle hums and lip trills for 5-10 minutes and hydrate consistently to maintain mucosal health. Make sure to track fatigue and avoid whispering or throat clearing, which damages tissue. Troubleshooting tip: if you feel sharp pain or persistent hoarseness, stop immediately and rest 48-72 hours. Seek a vocal coach or ENT.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.